Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert Sqlite database to Access MDB database file. This is my website. I will leave link to the site in the description. To find app for converting Sqlite to MDB, I'll click on search and type Sqlite 2, and we need this one, Sqlite 2 MDB. I'll click on app page, click on download button to start downloading process. App will be downloaded from Google Cloud. Yep. I'll click on downloaded archive. Then double click on image title inside archive to start installation. Click on more info on the screen. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, or just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install, click on yes on the screen and click on finish. And now you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, minimize this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On first step, I will have to select Sqlite file. So I will click here to select the Sqlite file, and let's navigate to some file I want to convert. This one, US and Canada States, Sqlite. I can right click and open it because I have a Sqlite viewer installed in it's another app that helped me to just display what is in Sqlite. So this is 2 tables, I guess. Yes, first is US states and second is Canada states, right? Just 2 tables. And I'm gonna convert it into MDB. I will select this file I want to convert, click on open. So let's do this again. I will clear file, click on select, input files, navigate to file I want to convert, click on it, and click on next step. So this is a second step. Second step is options. I can specify which table I want to convert. US states or Canada states, or I can click convert all tables, then all tables will be converted. And then I can specify which file I want to use. I want to create new MDB access file, or I can convert all these tables into existing MDB files. If I want to convert into existing MDB files, I have to click on this, select existing file, and then move to next step. But here let's create new one. So I'll select create new one, click on next step, and on final step I'll just click run to run my conversion. And you can see app immediately asked me where to place MDB file and name of MDB file. Let's name it US NCA states MDB, and just save it. And you can see file has been saved, and I can go and see these files. Again, I have MDB viewer. It's another app that shows MDB files, tables inside. I can just double click on it. I will leave links on MDB and Sqlite viewer in below. And this viewer, it's just free apps. It shows me content of the each table. If I switch it, I can sort if I want to, and I can export any table to different format. Very useful and just quick viewer. So you can see we have all 50 states converted from Alaska to Wyoming, and all data in here, including Canada states. And yeah, everything has been converted to MDB, and we have our MDB file created from Sqlite. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. I would gladly answer them. Thank you.